Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name is Adrian, and in today's lesson we are looking inside a house. It's night time and the stars are all across the sky. The moon is shining brightly from behind a cloud. An owl is sitting on the branch of a tree. The owl is awake. The owl is looking inside the house. Let's take a look inside the house. Inside the house, we can see 4 rooms. A bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room. Somebody in the house is sleeping. Let's look in the bedroom. In the bedroom, a man is sleeping. The man is in bed, asleep. He is wearing purple pajamas and a purple nightcap on his head. The man has a teddy bear under his arm. Perhaps the teddy bear is protecting the man from the monster under the bed. Time for questions. Is the owl asleep? No, the owl is awake. Who is in bed, sleeping? A man. A man is in bed, sleeping. What is the teddy bear doing? Maybe the teddy bear is protecting the man from the monster under the bed. Let's move on to the bathroom. The bathroom is next to the bedroom. In the bathroom, we can see a toilet, a sink. Above the sink, we can see a mirror, and we can see a bath. In the bath, there is a giraffe. A giraffe is in the bath. We can only see the giraffe from the neck upwards because the giraffe is behind the shower curtain. The shower curtain is yellow with large pink spots. The giraffe is wearing a shower cap on its head. The shower cap is pink with small yellow spots. Let's have some questions. Is the bathroom next to the bedroom? Yes, the bathroom is next to the bedroom. What is in the bath? A giraffe. A giraffe is in the bath. Why can we only see the giraffe from the neck upwards? because the giraffe is behind the shower curtain. Now let's look in the kitchen. The kitchen is below the bathroom. And there is another animal in the house. We can see a mouse in the kitchen. A mouse is in the kitchen. And the mouse is looking into the oven. The mouse is looking at a pie which is baking in the oven. On top of the oven and on the stove, there is a kettle. The kettle must be boiling because there is steam coming from the spout of the kettle. Also in the kitchen, we can see a clock on the wall. The time is nearly 2 o'clock in the morning. Who boils a kettle at this time of night? Maybe the same kind of person who also bakes a pie. Now for some questions. Is the kettle on the stove? Yes, the kettle is on the stove. Which animal is in the kitchen? A mouse. A mouse is in the kitchen. What is happening to the pie? The pie is baking in the oven. Now let's look inside the living room. The living room is next to the kitchen. And there is somebody in the living room. A man is in the living room. The man is sitting on the sofa and watching television. The man is wearing a red jumper and matching red slippers. But the man isn't wearing any socks. The man is holding a mug in his hand. The television is shining brightly towards the man. And the man looks very relaxed. Let's have some questions. Is there somebody in the living room? Yes. There is a man in the living room. What is the man holding in his hand? A mug. The man is holding a mug in his hand. What is the man doing? The man is sitting on the sofa in front of the television. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.